Hello, this is Dr. Luis Anderson. Today we are introducing R2Gate. First, we're gonna hit the download button. One of the most revolutionary implant planning softwares in South Korea, developed by Megagen Implant Company with its belief turning imagination into reality. As you can see here, this is the website where you can download the software for free, where you can plan and design a surgical guide and much more for free. I'll place the link down in the description. However, as you can see, we need to reconsider this prerequisite. Once R2Gate has been downloaded, you need to know that every single data should be placed on the R2Gate data folder. That includes every DICOM images together with the STL files accordingly. Once we open the software, it's going to show up this database management called R2 connector. As you can see, this is my ID, some R2 points, in which they're not relevant since we're not gonna order anything. I'm going to select my 20 by 20 DICOM images that are gonna be placed right here. We're gonna choose one and we're gonna have this preview. We're gonna select STL files later on. We're gonna select new project. In this window, I'm gonna type demo so we can appreciate the regeneration of our 3D rendering, and we're gonna hit start R2Gate. So here, as you can see, loading depends on the PC or our computer configuration. And here we have our 3D rendering, very nice 3D rendering. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.